Dahil sa ulan ang panahon, hindi makapag-jogging si kuya. Kaya indoor exercise like sit up with 5 kilos weight. Shoot. Are you ready?
Yes.
Stand by. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exhale sa baba. Yan. 8, 9, and 10. Hold. Hold. 10. Very good. Baba. Dumbbell. That is the first set. And then, yak kayak. Hold for 60 seconds. Alright. After 60 seconds, yak kayak. Agi na doon. Up, kan lang. Up, kat lang yan. Sige, sige. 1, 2, 3, 1. 1, 3, 2. Anak lang, nak. Anak lang. Na.
Ang hirap naman pa inumin.
4. Ibaba. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hold. Very good. Stand up. And first set. Tapos na. Okay, for second set, sit up with 5 kilo weight. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale sa baba. Inhale sa ilong. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Rest. Very good. Ayo, ibundak. Alright. Rest. 60 seconds. Alright. For second set, yak kayak. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Starting position. Down. Hop. Cock. Yan. Go. 1, 2, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3, 2. 1, 2, 3, 3. 2, 3, 4. Baba kamay. 2, 3, 5. 1, 2, 3, 6. 1, 2, 3, 7. 1, 2, 3, 8. 1, 2, 3, 9. 1, 2. Ready. Hold. Yan. Very good. Okay, rest 60 seconds for third set. Okay, third set. Sit up. Starting position. Stand by. Go. Sit up with 5 seconds weight. 5 kilos weight. Kilogram. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ayaw punggang baba. Exhale yun. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Very good. Alright, for last set. On your make ready. Ready position. Kuhan lang, kuhan. Half cock lang sa likod. Yak-kayak na. Up konti. Ayan, ganyan lang. Go. 1, 2, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3. Ito baba gamay. 2, 3, 3. Baba magamay ang katawan. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 5. 1, 2, 3, 6. 1, 2, 3, 7. 1, 2, 3, 8. 1, 2, 3, 9. 1, 2. Ready. Hold. Alright. Very good. 3 set for sit up and 3 set for yakayak. Alright? Very good. Pinagpawisan na. Alright. Thank you.